What's up, guys, to another video. I'm just gonna be riding around for a bit, but yeah. I did not. Oh my god. It scared me for a second. I was like, oh no. Oh no. Finally. Oh, I'm gonna be trying to launch some wheelies. Full skew, legs down. I did a burnout. Woo! That was fun. My first wheelie. Doesn't look too safe to wheelie, so I'll do it right here. It's so fun. Very bumpy. Vulture! I don't know if I got stuff on you, so I'm just gonna wipe you off anyways. All good. So I hope you guys are having great days. Yes. Okay, virtual moment. I think that's a turkey one. Turkey vultures, whatever you call them. Yes, whatever you call them. Maybe next video, I'll be going over there. Just don't feel like it. You know what? Just for you guys, I gotta make sure you write down. And, I'll go back there. One lap. One lousy lap. Because I don't want to make this video too long, you know. If you go to my channel, just look at it. You should, it's like 30-minute videos, and I don't want to repeat that, so, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put in the comment section below, my bad, if you like long form content or short form content, so I know what to make. But, yeah, wait, I shouldn't have said that. I'm gonna cut that part out. One last wheelie. I think that wasn't a wheelie. Why is my dirt bike refusing to walk today? Come on. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Alright, well, bye-bye now. Bye.